Hi students, welcome back to channel Chemistry Land. Today in the present video we are going to see about the topic that is boiler feed water. We are going through the unit that is water technology. The last video we had seen about the basic introduction for hot water and soft water, and we had also seen about the temporary hotness and permanent hotness. Today in the video we are going to see about what is the boiler feed water. What is meant by boiler feed water? So let us say about the boiler feed water, that is water is converted into steam in boiler or heat exchangers. So water which is converted into steam in boilers or heat exchangers. So during this process concentration of the dissolved salts in water increases. Okay. So the dissolved salts are present in the water. So during this process the concentration of the dissolved salts in water increases. So next one, so the concentration of the dissolved salts reaches the saturation point. Okay. So and then there is a precipitate which is settled on the inner walls of the boiler. So let us see the diagrammatic representation, and this is the boiler wall. So inside which is present as water, it is a loose precipitate, that is water which is present as a loose precipitate, that is a loose precipitate is suspended in water, that is this is called a sludge. So this is the hard adhering precipitate on the inner walls of the boiler. This is called a scale. Okay. So let us know about the scale and the sludge. So let us first know about the sludge. Sludge is a loose deposit. Okay. So this is a loose precipitate which is slimy, which is called as slimy. So sludge is a loose precipitate. Sludges are formed by the substances like magnesium chloride, magnesium carbonate, magnesium sulfate and calcium chloride. So these are the substances, that is chlorides of magnesium and calcium, carbonates of magnesium, sulfates of magnesium. So these are the substances which form the sludges. Okay. So greater solubilities in hot water than cold water. So sludge which is having the greater solubility in hot water than cold water. Okay. So this is the diagrammatic representation for sludge and scale. So the least soluble gets precipitated first. Okay. The least soluble gets precipitated first. That is sludge which is having greater solubilities in hot water than cold water. Let us see about the scale, which is a hot deposit. So the precipitate forms hot and adherent coating on the inner walls of the boiler. So on the boiler, on the inner wall of the boiler, there is a precipitate which gets deposited. So scales are formed by the substances like bicarbonates, that is bicarbonates of calcium, sulfates of calcium, hydroxides of magnesium. Okay. So this is about the scale. This is known about the scale. Okay. So in this video we had seen about the boiler feed water. So water which gets converted into steam by using boilers or heat exchangers. So during this process the concentration of the salt increases and it reaches the saturated point. So there is a precipitate which gets settled on the inner walls of the boiler. So we had seen about the sludge and scale. Okay. So in the next video we had seen about the differences between sludge and scale, and also due to the formation of the scale, what are the effects, common effects takes place. So if you all like this video, please share this video, like it and comment it. Please subscribe our channel Chemistry Land, and also support our channel. Thank you.